You mentioned Carlow. Carlow's interesting because it's a different kind of town to Kilkenny. Carlow, when I stood with the Carlow Says No protests outside the old Capuchin Friary, one of the things that struck me was there was a class divide. People, working class people, were 100% behind people who were doing the protests, and people who seemed to have a problem with it were, I would say, older, more well established. They drove around in better cars, and they kind of looked down on people like us who can see our livelihoods going down to Swanee because of our taxpayers' money being used to fund the lifestyle of people who are in some cases welfare tourists.